It's a very old finca. The inspiration was clearly the island of Ibiza. The idea was to renovate in the style of Ibiza. So I am Yasmine. I have 3 girls and I'm married. And I work for a company that protects the environment. We were looking for a place, our own place in Ibiza, because we totally fell in love with the island. And as we were looking, we came across this house, La Villa Soliluna. We tried to keep it very traditional, using noble wood. All the woods here are taken from the island. And also in the way we asked the walls to be done, it's in the traditional way. It's a place where you feel a lot of good vibrations. For us, it's really like a retreat place where we don't really have any neighbors and it's very quiet and peaceful. It's something very unique on the island. For us, the best spot ever is the Playa Escondida and the Chiringuito. I would say a collectionist home is a home with a special atmosphere, unique, and that it is in line with the place that it belongs to,